Hello children, welcome in my video. I am your SST teacher and this time I am going to teach you 5th chapter and the name of the chapter is Our Country. Children, India is the 7th largest country in the world and India is also called Bharat. You know very well it is bounded by Himalayas ranges in the north and edged by endless stretch of vast beaches throughout its eastern and western borders. Children, we live in India and we are Indians. We have taken birth in India, so we are Indians. So we must know about our country. And here in this chapter, we will know about our land. First, look at the map. This is the physical map of India. A physical map shows mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers, etc. Look at the brown color. This color shows the mountains and the yellow color shows the desert and orange color shows the plateau. The green color shows the plains. The line in blue colors are the rivers. Now, children, we will know about the mountain. Children, have you ever seen a mountain? See, this is the picture of the mountain, the Himalayas. The mountains are very high land with pointed tops. It is nearly 8,848 meters high and is the tallest peak in the world. Now we will know about the plains. Where do you play in the school? Yes, of course, in the playground. The playground is a flat and level land. The large flat and level area of a state or country is called a plain. And the main rivers of these plains are Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These plains are very fertile. Children, this is the main quality. These plains are very fertile and are excellent for agriculture. These are made of soils brought down by the rivers flowing through them. Now next point is the plateau. The picture of given is that of a plateau. It is flat like a plain but is higher than a plain. They are vast area of a flat land on the top of hills. The orange color is the physical map shows the Deccan Plateau. The shape of the plateau is triangular. So remember it, the Mahanadi and the Godavari and Krishna, the Kaveri are important rivers of the areas. Of these areas, the plateau of the Tibet is the highest plateau in the world. It is known as the roof of the world. Now we will discuss about the desert. Children, we will discuss about the desert. The desert are shown in yellow color. Desert are sandy areas. There is no water or very little water in these areas. They get scanty rainfall. The camel is the main animal of the desert. You know very well, the only desert in India, the Thar desert, lies in Rajasthan. Now I'll tell you the coastal plains. Look at the green color areas along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. These are called western and eastern coastal plain respectively. Now I'll tell you about the island. Yes, island has also important. The island are land masses covered by water on all its sides. See the islands located in Arabian Sea in the map. These are the Lakshadweep Island. The island in the Bay of Bengal are the Andaman Nicobar. Children, the island in the Bay of the Bengal are the Andaman Nicobar. Okay children, hope you understood very well. See you. Have a good day.